Hello besties and welcome back to another video. You're watching Nailist and today we'll be doing this lip gloss nails. I saw this trend happening. I actually saw JLo's nails that looked so bomb and I feel like I can show you how to do this step by step. I think this set turned out to be so good. It is so easy to make and so elegant. I got this hand left and I'm going to show you how I did this.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
I already have some product from my previous set. I've done my cuticle work. Okay, so I have removed the previous product and I'm gonna do a fill. Today I will be trying out Nailist base coat and top coat. I've already tried it on this hand and it's so self-leveling, it's crazy. I'm removing all the dust particles and cleansing a little bit. I'll be dehydrating all the parts of my nails that I will refill because the rest of it is artificial nails, so they don't produce any oils. I'll be using some primer to help the natural nail attach to the artificial nail. Tips gel acrylic. A little goes a long way here. You just need a little bit so that it creates some tackiness. Now I'll be putting on the Nailist base coat. I will do a slip layer first and then I'm gonna build it. Give it a little bit of apex. And just make it drip over here. And this is once again a very self-leveling product. So slide it across where you want your apex to be. And we're gonna do that to all of the nails. So like that. And now I'm gonna turn my nails upside down for a little bit, just so that gravity does its thing and it helps us a lot with the apex. And I'm curing. And you and I both know how good it's gonna turn. So we can either do this nude shade or we can go for like something a little pinkish. It's gonna be something like this. I don't think it's the vibe I want to go for right now, but the whole thing of lip gloss nails is just to give it the youthful look and make it look very, very shiny, almost wet. So I'll be using this nude. And I cure this for 60 seconds again. And of course I'll be doing a second coat. My poor fingers look so dehydrated because of all the cold water that I've been washing my hands in lately. And oh my god, I keep moisturizing them, but they just crave some hydration. I'm gonna cure this again. And now to the fun part, I'm gonna use this glitter liner gel from Model Ones. So easy to use. So the way I do it to do this cute little thin fringe is I take my glitter liner gel and I put 3 dots, one at the center of my nail and one left and right of where I want it to start. So all I have to do after that is just connect the dots. Like so. So this is so shimmery. I don't think it needs a second coat. So let's go ahead and do the rest of them. I felt like I should keep this in real time so that you see that even the easy designs, if you want to make them bright and look clean and all, you should take your time. Like, you see all these sped up videos all around social media, but it actually takes a lot of time. Okay. And now I'll cure this for a good minute. And now we're moving to my favorite part, which is top coat. We're gonna make it so shiny. So I'll go ahead and once again put a slip layer on. And then I'm gonna leave it thick. This top coat is literally just a dream. It is so good. This and for matte top coats, Koopa. Okay, beautiful. Last cure. And here we go. This turned out so good, you guys. I'll be putting some cuticle oil. My hands are dying this winter. I don't know what is wrong. Honestly, it's been a while since I had my two hands matching. But yeah, this is sick. It's so pretty and elegant. And this is my take on the lip gloss nails as seen on Jennifer Lopez. I'm gonna put some of my... Oh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you see more of the videos I make. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't